Yeah, that's no problem, no problem. So they say when you're speaking in front of an audience, they post this picture of everyone naked. But as a part-time nude model, it's kind of hard because when I sit in front of a group of artists, I'm the one that's naked most of the time. But no, but really, it makes no sense. It makes no sense for the government of Canada to not fund the arts. It's a very worthwhile investment. I mean, the stats, I'm just going to throw some quick numbers at you, come from 2003, 2004. These are the latest stats that are published by Statistics Canada, and they show that out of the three levels of government, we invested $7.7 billion into the arts and culture industry. And this industry produced 600,000 jobs and $40,000 in revenue, $40,000 towards the economy. Sorry, $40 billion towards the economy. And of that, 25% came back in tax revenue, which means this is definitely a worthwhile investment. Now, of that cash that was invested, the $3.5 billion came from the federal government, but that only equaled under 2% of the budget, and that's just simply not enough. The 16,000 employees that are produced by the arts and culture industry are more, or to reach those sorts of numbers in other industries, you need to combine the forestry, fishery, mining, oil and gas, exploration, and utilities just to reach those numbers of employment. And yet we produce and give much more funding to these programs. So it makes there's no fiscal reason why we should not fund the arts and culture. But it goes beyond that, and the Green Party knows. The Green Party looks beyond what we see in a fiscal responsibility. And we see that this will actually save money in the long run. Having strong communities built in arts and culture will increase the cohesive and compassion in our societies, and in such will reduce homelessness and other factors that you see in communities that are shattered. And the cultures work very, very hard to make a cohesive unit. And this will save money in social programs, and it'll save money in healthcare. Not to mention the neurophysiological. As a neuroscientist, studying when I was in school, I spent a couple of years in Toronto in a neuroscience lab, and I know the neurophysiological benefits of creative problem solving and working in a creative atmosphere. And these are not just small amounts. These are actually beneficial and have significant results in relieving dementia in their senior citizens. And these are high dollar amounts that place burdens on our healthcare. So investing in the arts will have these sorts of qualities. It will create a national identity and communities' identities. Thank you.